Hi friends, in this video we are going to see the unboxing of Logitech K380. It's a wireless Bluetooth keyboard. The box of Logitech K380 looks like this. Here you can see that it is showing multi-device Bluetooth keyboard. It can connect up to 3 devices at a time across operating systems. At the back you can see that the price mention is 3195, but you can get it cheaper on Amazon or Flipkart. I will give the Best Buy links in the description box. If you want, you can go through that. And at the back you can see some of the features are mentioned, such as type on multi-devices simultaneously, and take to type style, and quiet laptop like typing. So without wasting any time, let's open this keyboard from the box. I bought this keyboard for my iPad Air. Here you can see that I have ordered the white color keyboard. It comes in 4 colors: gray, blue, white and rose. And here is the instruction manual. Nothing. This is how the keyboard looks. Let's remove the cover or plastic. Here you can see that you can connect up to 3 devices at a time. You need to press and hold for 3 seconds. It will automatically switch. And here you can see that it is compatible with both Mac and Windows. This is how the keyboard looks. It is very small and compact. You can carry this keyboard anywhere on the go. And at the back you will have the batteries. Let's open this. You will get 2 batteries with this keyboard. The company claims that you will get 2 years of battery life, that is approximately 24 months. Okay. This is how the backs, and at the back you can see the keyboard model number. It is K380, and you will have rubber grippings. You will not get adjustable stands at the back so that you can lift the keyboard. And here are the keys. These are rounded keys. If you are using a small keyboard for the first time, you will have difficulty typing, but over the time you will get used to this keyboard. I bought this keyboard especially to pair with my iPad. I do little bit of editing on my iPad, so I bought this keyboard to edit some videos on LumaFusion. If you buy a keyboard, you also need a mouse. I bought the Logitech Pebble mouse. I bought it in white, so I can use this both keyboard and the mouse with my iPad. Here you can see that how it looks, the setup: white keyboard, white mouse. Here you can see that you can switch between 3 devices. If you press 1, you can connect it to first device. If you press 2, you can connect to the second device. If you press 3, you can connect to the third device. And there is a LED indicator. At the sides, if you can see that there is an on off button and the indicator light. There is no need to manually turn off. It will automatically turn off if you are not using your Logitech keyboard for a long time. Now let's try to pair this keyboard with my iPad. Not only iPad, you can use this with your laptop, iPhone and iPad. Here is my iPad. Let's connect the keyboard to the iPad. Let's open settings. Under settings, let's click on Bluetooth. I made a separate video on this Logitech Pebble mouse. I will give the link in the description box. Please do check that. After turning the Bluetooth on your iPad or iPhone, this keyboard will not show up. What you need to do is you need to press and hold these Bluetooth keys for 3 seconds. Then it will be discoverable. I am going to press and hold the first key for 3 seconds. Now it will automatically show up in the Bluetooth settings on your iPad or iPhone. Now here you can see that the light is blinking. Now the keyboard will show up. Here you can see the keyboard. Click on that. Now here you can see that on the keyboard the light is not blinking and the keyboard is connected K380. Now over here you can see that both the keyboard and the Pebble are connected to the iPad. Now here you can see that I can use the keyboard and the mouse. Let's open the Notes app and let's type something. Since it's the first time, you need to see the keys and type properly. You can hear the keyboard sound also. If you are using iPad as your main device, either for editing or doing the college work or school work, these 2 devices, keyboard and the Pebble mouse, are quite useful. I use my iPad Air for editing on the go, so This keyboard and mouse combination will be quite useful. Here you can see that the keyboard is working perfectly. I need to get used to this keyboard. So that's it guys. Hope you like this Logitech K380 unboxing and overview video. Hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.